liu to. Đây của fair price tak boleh kat sini. There. Say bye. Hi. Hi everyone.
Huh? For what? So ugly.
Tunihin bangsa da ciri kewa haba. Kain thang fair price aki hagu bang mam talaw jikso agam lala mati kewa. Amun katung nai po tuin ka silai ta ko eh. Wow, tùy tu thủy tai Indian restaurant. Tu hấp tu nak silai ta bo hi. Mesti fan ko lelen na lam me. Bang kini tu na lai. Ini taxi stand. Jadi hap sung lagi kau tinggal di fair price. Ano ilang pek-pek. Escalator. Ma'am. Say hi. Katroliw to. Bansok bitam talu hap kagot na yu Thailand. Escalator pa na. Sasok din dyan. Tumdi tayo. Body fitness si body tamlay kahapon. Hapos ko tayo. Ini ko fair price tak boleh kat sini tu. Kajian di Banten macam mana ya? Masih dan jom mereka boleh. Malaysia boleh le mah. Restoran aja. Sama punya kecil dan sultan macam dia. Wow. Tapi fair price extra. Aduh kan tawas. Tapi sorry ko. Aku kan feel guilty and oat, huh? Your oat. Instant oatmeal. Wow. Thật là bụng trinh nhé. Xong cái này lang tôi cái bản tôi là phải cái thật là tạo bố cái chân quê rồi. Wow, tak lem ya. Which one? This one? Eat, I'm not tall enough. Would you like to buy a tissue?
And the rice?
Kitchen roll. Where is our brand? No.
Cannot see.
There must be somewhere. Kitchen roll ka brand no holy too. Your brand. Yeah, here. Here, I found it.
The rice is here.
This one, not that.
Don't need to make the
It's not big. This one is the actual size, the one we buy. Rice kipek dan kayak alam tak kisah mo. Nếu chả chả kipek itu. Itu pek dan kayak gitu. Here. Our brand Thai home Mali rice. Chả đây rice đây kita mau pek nếu chả. Yêu lang to half baked bag mo here. Oh. This is the seafood. Somehow you fresh it. Prawns, wow. Fresh it, packet. Seafood. Oh. Acha. Octopus. Acha. Canned food. Wow. Cooking oil. Zoom to brand này là gì? Nutella prima. Light sauce. Cooking oil. Canned food. Oyster sauce?
Yeah.
Maybe let's buy one low. Our market not open and then the NTUC closed.
Yeah, one will be.
Okay, let's go. Go ahead, wow, ice cream. Let's go and buy the fresh milk. Where is our brand? See, it comes with 2 packets. No, they got another one. Yeah, 1 packet. Why? 2 for 5. But 1 will do lah. That's too much. Maybe we can finish. I guess. Wow. Our brand butter. Mushroom. Yeah, another mushroom. Broccoli. Here.
Yeah, cái này chưa ở đây.
Not so good here.
Lemon.
Yes, go and see. No, I don't like it.
I like it okay. Australia one, no?
That one? Another broccoli.
Here even worse, not nice.
Done. Long to bake.
Packet plenty. Nice or not? Inside. Không phải cái nào vậy?
Smoker. Salad. I thought this one.
Yeah. Like to
Cucumber.
okay. Good enough. Now bread and cheese, right?
Mm.
But the skin.
I don't know where they put that one.
The skin has to be
Mine. Green veggie. From China.
yeah, these are from China.
Okay. William the Louis from Granite. Eggs. Okay, Granite. Here our brand. Farm Fresh is our brand.
Should be 2, huh? Okay.
I don't think so.
Right one.
2 will do.
One now. I will downstairs if you like.
Are you sure? Bread. Wow. Choi Vaiphei. Kiểu brand. Yeah, we need to pay first. The fruit. Sorry. Sushi. Ah, kimchi. Sausage. Sausage, wow. Sa kipik dani, oy. Sa. Ice cream. 50 packet. Yeah, is that one?
This also 50 eh?
Oh, but the one you. This one. Yeah.
Same mà, để one same thế này.
Yeah. Okay.
Done.
Now time to pay.
Hả?
Time to pay. Give me, I'll carry it on. Time to pay. Liền tờ lui. Liền tờ lui. Vặn một phần rồi đi hay cuối lần. Now, time to queue to pay. Wow, long queue at us. Oh, not so long. You want here? Oh, there. Queue. Thế sẽ qua không đeo phải tung nè. Cái không có được. Cái không cái trái tao cái làm gì cái tao. Yung set yung cái này gặp cái. Say bye. Hi. 再见. 4 leaf bread.